Okay, so let's talk about P1. This is Coursework Task P1. Remember, with this coursework, it is like a ladder system. So you have to do all of the past tasks and pass them in order to get a pass. You have to do all the pass and the merit tasks to get a pass, and then a merit, and you have to do all the pass, merit, and distinction tasks in order to get the distinction. So, past task 1, this is the first bit of the coursework. So, explain the concept of the Internet of Everything. What is the concept of the Internet of Everything? What's it all about? Who are you going to explain it to? Well, you're going to explain it to the Gatwick Hotels Association and explain to them what this concept is all about. Gatwick Hotels Association have written to you and they've asked you to come up with an innovation, something that's going to improve their revenue, something that's going to improve the guest interactions and the guest satisfaction when they visit their hotels. And so you need to write to the Gatwick Hotels Association and explain to them what the Internet of Everything is. You need to do that using non-technical language, you need to be clear and concise, and you need to use examples. You need to be able to discuss the things that are involved within the Internet of Everything. So the physical objects, or some examples of some physical objects, the things that are used for the Internet of Everything to be successful. You need to talk about experiential interactions. You might be thinking, well, what does that mean? An experiential interaction is between a human and a user interface and what that looks like. So you need to think about how experiential interactions actually become successful interactions with the Internet of Everything devices, and how you're going to make that a success for a business such as the Gatwick Hotels Association. You need to be able to talk about aids to people, as you can see in the picture there. Electric wheelchairs, hearing aids, certain voice-to-text recognition, things like that, text-to-voice recognition, all aid people. And it's more than just people with disabilities, okay? I create a shopping list on my Google Home. So I just say, I tell it what to do. I won't say it right now because it'll probably set off my phone. But I tell it what to do. I tell it to add milk. And then when I go to the supermarket, I can click on that and it tells me what my shopping list is. That is an aid to me, okay? Aids to society and the community. Well, that could be CCTV cameras. It could be lights that come on as you walk down a street, and then that's better for society because it saves energy. It's better for the environment, but it's better for the community and society because it provides safe lighting in dark areas, so on and so forth. Machines for industry, how these machines can be automated to do certain things. Lots of Amazon depots now use machines to collect things for quick distribution of it, obviously with Amazon Prime. And so all of those are things, and you need to just be able to explain them. You do need to be able to link them back to the Gatwick Hotels Association if you can, but I'm not looking for you to come up with tenuous random links to hotels. I'm more expecting you to be able to explain to the Gatwick Hotels Association what the concept of the Internet of Everything is, and use some of them examples there to be able to support what you're explaining. Now then, something else that you need to think about including is how it is used, and it can be used in some of these different scenarios here of body and health, home and garden, city and neighbourhood, industry and the environment. How you choose to set up your P1 is entirely up to you. You can set it up with a paragraph for each of the bullet points on the previous section and this section, or you might want to interweave it with each other, so you can talk about a certain innovation within the Internet of Everything and then link it to one of these applications. But in order to pass this task, you do need to be able to explain to me and give me the confidence that you know that the element that you're talking about, the thing you're talking about, how it links to the concept of the Internet of Everything, and then how it is used within the Internet of Everything. As always, with all of these courseworks, it's really good to look at the specification, and this piece of text here I've taken directly from the specification. It'll be what I'm looking at when I mark your work. So you must explain to me, or to the Gatwick Hotels Association, what the concept of the information of Internet of Everything is. You should give some consideration to what the things are within the Internet of Everything. So I need to be able to tick that off and say, yeah, they've thought about what the things are. I should have some understanding of what the Internet of Everything is, and I should be able to see that you've taken some different examples and applied them to different applications. So you said, okay, this is a thing and this is what it benefits. This is a thing and this is what it does. This is a thing and this is the area that it connects to. And I should be able to see some examples where you, as the learner, have taken them and then you've applied them to a category of that I've said previously of home and garden, body and health. So it's about me having a firm understanding that you know what the concept of the Internet of Everything is and that you're able to explain that to another party. Please like and subscribe to the channel so that you can get updates as the videos are uploaded.